Welcome to Learn English Through Cities. Today, we are talking about New York City, one of the most famous and exciting cities in the world. New York is often called the city that never sleeps, because life there never seems to stop. People are always working, traveling, eating, and exploring, no matter the time of day. Located in the state of New York, this city is home to more than 8 million people and is known for its fast pace, diversity, and iconic landmarks. One of the most famous places in the city is Times Square. It is full of bright lights, giant screens, tourists, and energy. It represents the busy and vibrant spirit of New York. Another important symbol is the Statue of Liberty. It was a gift from France in 1886 and became a symbol of freedom and hope for millions of immigrants arriving in America. Culturally, New York is one of the most diverse cities in the world. People from many countries live there, bringing different languages, foods, traditions, and lifestyles. This is why you can find Italian pizza, Chinese food, Korean restaurants, and street food from almost every part of the world in just one neighborhood. Central Park is another special place. In the middle of all the tall buildings and busy streets, this huge green park offers people a place to relax, walk, exercise, and enjoy nature. Historically, New York also played an important role in immigration. Ellis Island was the place where millions of immigrants first arrived in the United States, looking for better opportunities and a new life. Today, New York is a global center for business, fashion, art, and entertainment. Wall Street represents finance, Broadway represents theater, and Manhattan represents ambition. Living in New York can be expensive and fast, but many people dream of experiencing its unique energy and opportunities. So, New York is more than just a city, it is a symbol of dreams, diversity, and endless possibilities. Would you like to visit New York someday? Tell me in the comments.